Mm, Good afternoon, everybody. Hopefully, we are wrapping up Displacing season, even if we don't finish today. I will finish it offline. This is the last episode on the series. I hope you like it. It will take quite a while because the render uh, it's uh, it's slow. uh, well, we have the songs. Let me see if you can hear. Okay. Okay, this is the first part. Use headphones. I'm doing the best. Here's the first part. So I hope that there's a response. I like it. I can live for any game of the 90s. And also, it's very dark in here because it's cloudy. Most likely, it's gonna rain. As Yeah. So how do you like the song? That was the first song. Now the robotic part. It's a lot. We are not gonna finish it today. We are not gonna finish today. So I will wrap up at some point and say goodbye, and then upload the video on YouTube. This is crazy. Remember, here we just move. You can say out. It's not a melody design like this piano. Good. But I will not be able to portray what I have in mind in here. In here, as you can appreciate the drumming, crazy drumming, it is like it should be a bunch of mechanical parts moving, mechanical arms, mechanical balls, mechanical arms, robotic arms, some robots that went crazy from one side from another, lifting out parts, like several robots, and then make some zooms in one robot to see what the robot is doing. But mostly it's a bunch of robots that move like this. It would be great to portray that, but you will have to reproduce it in your mind. Okay. Um, Maybe eventually we'll be able to really deliver what I have uh, in my mind. If I commit with one thing, but I want to wrap up this thing because I want to build a couple of software projects that I have been delaying for a year. Imagine that, a year. So I don't know what happened to me. Not to blame. Okay, let's get started. So this is our channel, and yeah, let's get started by opening the Blender. I'm sorry, I was lost in. I have too many things in here because uh, okay, mm, okay, we have. I will use clip jump to you know, put all the parts together. And I did this yesterday. Hopefully you saw that in the channel. At noon. I never thought. No, I knew the people will. So I'm going to put Verita reading because this is a device Verita uses to read. You have seen this uh, thing uh, in another video in which I am promoting a tutorial of how to build tic-tac-toe using web standards. And you will be saying at this point, people is having the information in their minds. But Verita likes to use old hardware. Uh, so even when this looks modern to you, hopefully it's kind of old for the time, in the time that Verita is living her life. So he can easily connect her brain into the information source and have the information delivered in her head. But instead, he actually enjoys going to this hardware and read in that way and in this kind of speed, you know, kind of quickly the information as you saw in the tic-tac-toe video, but they are accustomed to consume at that speed. And of course, you will not see Verita using a desktop computer from the 90s, but she has desktop computers since she is collecting all sorts of hardware from all the history of computing. And in here, she's showing. She's she's just having fun with this hardware, right? How cool is that? So very reading. And this is because I'm going to start exporting more videos. So let's select the camera and see the angle. Here's the angle. So these objects are gigantic because look how close the camera is and look. So probably I will reduce the size. Let us see. First, I'm going to try to move this. Let us see if I can see the zoom. If not, we can just zoom in, zoom out, then zoom in, and this guy will be doing waving his hand, and I will say meet Caesar. That will take us. That will take us. mm, Meet Caesar. I don't want to. I don't know if I should speak like meet Caesar. Okay, let's get started. Let's stop wasting time. First, put Caesar in position. He's ready to make his lifetime acting. Okay. Very easy because we don't want to shoot. Okay, let's rotate his hands like this. Okay, remember this armature isn't moving. Also, I will be deleting the frames because I will be reusing this scene. I'm not doing two angles as I said. This is a prototype. If you like it, that will be amazing. If no, well, maybe in the future. Okay, so will be a lot of work. Oh, we are in pause mode. Okay. Um, let's move this thing over this place. Let's move it even further. Oh, I did something wrong. Undo. Okay. Be careful. You can undo all the things. Yeah, the thing is gigantic. You need to, mm, If you draw a line over here, or at least pointing to, yeah. How cool is geometry? Look at this. I was enabled to study geometry a couple of years ago in a proper way, in a great introduction to geometry. Never thought I will have to study geometry. I will have the opportunity to study geometry in the way with the book. I did it. Uh, there are great human beings in this world. Yeah, let's render this. And yeah, remember we don't have any sky. We can put some sky, a blue plane, and some clouds, because we did some clouds in a video, in a short video when there is a bunch of birds flying. Uh, but today there is no. It's cloudy and dark, so no sky, right? But you can think of it. You can imagine the thing. It's up to you to, dream and continue. And in the final video, it will look. People will be focusing on this. 18 minutes. I better shut up and do this. But remember, I will not. I'm not trying to finish. It's okay. So it has this rotation angle. It has this angle, but not rotation angle. Now let's put some. Where is the data of this object? Here it is. I'm going to put a frame in the rotation at frame one. Look at this. I'm going to press I, and we have our thing. Uh, every 100 frames is equivalent to 4 seconds. So we have two, uh, 10 seconds in here. I'm going to play the music. Mid-season. So in these 10 seconds, we need uh, we need the whole thing, the whole. Uh, and this is the first scene. So I will put this on 100. And I'm going to the uh, it's very dark in here. Okay, beautiful. Uh, let's add the rotate the frame, keyframe. Now let's play the thing. I'm going to whistle, if that's the word. And then I can start saying meet Caesar with Audacity. Audacity, yeah. Uh, uh, well, we have the first thing. Meet Caesar. And the camera start going out of this guy. Okay. Oh, look at the palms. I forgot about that. It's moving. They are moving. Like Galileo said when he was being persecuted for thinking differently, you know. I haven't read any book from Galileo, by the way. Just know the phrase. I suppose I'm going to read one of those. You can import the audio, you know? Meet Caesar. And then the guy goes, we have the script. I don't know how to do live campaign and shut up and concentrate on finishing the job instead of talking and doing nothing. When when I am offline, I do the job. But in here, I feel the need to be talking because that's why you are here, right? Unless you enjoy see people being shut up with their mouths shut and working. I don't know. Okay, let's continue. Going to the translation. It will be difficult to synchronize all of these. Let's be honest. The camera will zoom in and Caesar will say hi here. And that's our first scene. Um, yeah, but I should add some keyframe location. Where is this key? Okay, E. The rotation remains the same, although the location gets updated. It was like this, I suppose. Here. I will move it on the Y axis. Here it's okay here, so the guy can, move his head. And the good thing about not having this water moving, uh, it's related. It will be, hopefully, I don't know how Blender works. Hopefully, it will not be computed. Only this. Okay, now, okay, let's try. The voice should be here. It will be good for that melody if the palms are moving on the water. Okay, not to time to animate this guy. Okay, we can put the frame over here and move the frame keyframe over here because we have the camera in place, and then move the keyframe. This is nonsense. Yeah, I will animate as few as possible. So the head is one. Well, I will press I, and it added all of these. So perhaps I just want a rotation. Then move the thing one. Then duplicate Shift D until 140. Here. Remember the camera has here. Oh, it's everything is getting animate selected the rig in its entirety. Okay. See. Okay. I think something's wrong. I think I am not. I am animating in object mode and not in pose mode. So let's get started again. We can get rid of all of this. Now select. That's why I was saying, oh my god. Now pause mode. Okay, now you're seeing the thing. Mm, oh no, there's something wrong. Let's see. Yes. Do you want to clean the rotation? Okay, now let's. Okay, I'm going to clean these two. Okay, now let's see if we can. I'm sorry, having trouble with you seeing it. There are no rotation in here. Um, there should be a rotation register in here. I'm doing something really wrong. Okay. Oh, the rotation is on the entire object. It is. And I'm just selecting this one. Yeah, this is not working. I don't know the reason. Okay. Uh, Something is wrong in here. Where is the metal? Probably metal. Um, no, the metal is the armature. Okay, at least you're seeing that we are taking the entire hour with this, and then out, out. The metal rig is the armature. We don't want to mess with the armature. So there's something wrong in here because if uh, if there is wind over here. Let me see if you are able to see me. Yes. Oh yeah. What can I do? I don't know what can be wrong. Unless we animate the entire thing, to deliver the video to the public. I don't know what I'm doing wrong, to be honest. Let's animate the entire rig. I was animating in previous videos, just I can't believe it. Imagine if Sarita's world were for real. How can you live in that place? Okay, let's rig everything with A. You're selecting everything and press I to insert keyframes in every single value revealed, and every move can be. You can mess. Look at this. So there was something. I am doing something. And then we have the 140. There is a lot of ones over here. It should be possible to only animate this. And now look, there is no values also in here, so I don't know. I don't feel satisfied about how we did it. We are going to give it, give it one more time. Okay, we have everything selected. Should be possible. Okay, yet it is registered. What is not being shown in here? Something's wrong. Something's wrong. It's here. Uh, we want it to be in this. Why wait? Why be 41? It can be in 40, you know? Now here, and again, there's something really wrong in here. Okay, it's moving. Got it. Okay, Caesar is quiet, and then all right, beautiful. Uh, um, oh my God. Yeah, what else? The hands. Okay, now how can we move it? Guys like this to move, to rotate this palm like this, you rotate like this, then move, and let us see if we can. achieve that. Okay, no. Oh, we have the EX. I don't know here. Is on the hand. What can we do? How can we tell the algorithm that we want this thing to be down below? The algorithm is Blender. Uh, well, we can do this. He can rotate its hand like this. But again, someone will say that's a technical problem you're not solving because it bends like this. Here's a good thing too. His hand. Oh my God, his hand got broke. You saw that? You saw that? Now he's dancing like Michael Jackson. I don't know. Okay, so we need to delete this. And from here, find a way to move. Uh, I don't know. His hand looks weird. It seems like the thumbs are kind of wrong. Yeah, you can copy paste it both. For example, this. One hour, one scene. Probably it will take me the entire night. Not the entire night. Yeah, the evening and until 10 p.m. so I can play guitar and just sleep. So yeah, let's render this to see video. I forgot. Uh, some people recommend rendering images and then put all the images in video if something wrong happens. But we only have 250. And okay, you can put the name of your file in here, but I am leaving like this, leaving the thing like this, so some numbers will be. Yeah, perhaps you're saying this guy should put some sky here and put some noise, birds noise, some water noise effect, but probably at the end, render animation. Hopefully, it's more quickly. It's going too fast. I suppose I am not able to see frame 5. It's seeing here. I am unable to see what it feels like. It's going quickly, probably because of the transparency. And now, since the palms are about to move, it's taking the time. So I am a okay. I am a software developer. Uh, I'm just thinking about what kind of algorithms are involved in this rendering process. Oh my God. Are you let me see. Um, okay. Oh, okay. Probably this will take. I'm not sure if you want to wait for this to render because after uh, I would like to finish this today so I can concentrate on software and put again Blender where it belongs to my hobbies. But somehow uh, I got hooked into this. I don't know. We can put an image of a sky, if you will, using Clipchamp as a background because all of this is transparency. But how we can design that without? Let's wait for this to finish. I put an alarm to spend 1 hour with you. Yeah, they are our rendering process. Let's talk. Let's talk about, yeah, talk. Now that I think about, I have a pending project deploying talk on Oracle Cloud infrastructure. Look at the water. Okay. At this point, if these are 10 seconds, as I am saying to you, the film will be like 1 minute at most. And that's too much because the robot part, I'm not importing the robot in here because I'm yet to learn how to import the rigging information and the armatures of the models. I haven't studied that part and I haven't asked in Blender community. So let me tell you, right upfront, the robotic part will be only transition images transitions of robots grasping the coconuts, seeing some information in the coconut, and yeah, I'm not sure if you will like the final result because there should be an interview of Caesar in which they are making questions to extract the knowledge from his head. At the end, it should be there should be more characters or people using the mobile devices. So it's a lot of work, and I want to finish today so I can, like do something else. And the idea is that if someone sees a video, hopefully the information will be conveyed, and the person will see, okay, this guy is trying to say that experts are going to be displaced. Um, and I was saying that in the early session on Elixir programming, in which the information presented in the documentation can be encoded in the IDE, and the IDE should make recommendations when you are writing code. If you are writing code, because most of the time people will be interacting with natural language with the computer, seeing the results and say, okay, I believe you, I just need the final result. I, I don't know what this modifier is doing, later I care. It's solving the problem for the customer. That's probably the thing that Mr. Norvig is saying, as we might program, probably. But I don't think uh, Perhaps the masses will program in that fashion, but code should be will be still written by humans. These artificial systems, computer systems, uh, they need programmers, but to program those systems, it requires a high and advanced um, knowledge of computing. So there you have it. It's very quickly the when the perhaps because of the transparency. Do it to the transparency. Yeah. Okay. We are about we are. I'm going to show you just how I will be editing the thing, and then I will wrap up the series and come up with the final result for you. Okay, it's very dark in here. Let me turn on the light. How about that? And it's very early. It's 5 o'clock to be like this. I was thinking it will be raining by now. At the end, we didn't change the color of the shirt. I lived 10 years in Chilpancingo, and at that point, they were, I don't know how to use it, fireworks, some sort of fireworks, and I like it. I really enjoy it, living in the place. Uh, yeah, fireworks most of the days, but not fireworks like sparkling things, like uh, the sound. I don't know what kind of sport you are using in English, but it was less complex for me. Uh, yeah, great, great place. And yeah, almost there. We got it. 4 minutes? That's not true. Close this. One thing we can put it's the night, a night on the beach. We have this little defect in here, as you saw. I'm not sure if you were able to see. We have some stars in here. And look at the guy that has some light in here. Look at this, and then it got close. Okay, and 10 seconds. Now we can open. I'm going to show you with Clipchamp. Where is Clipchamp? Where is Clipchamp? Here it is. Okay, here is Clipchamp, and what I do is put this thing over here. If you can do it with After Effects, that would be great. Even Blender has a video editor, but here I'm just using the videos. Then this part, and since this thing is quite, there is a Britney Spears sound beginning like that. Now that I think about it, now that I remember, it's on tan 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 tan. I don't know if you know that song. Okay, more, kind of. But I will not say the first phrase. Okay, we can look at this. Meet Caesar. Beautiful, right? Look at the water. Remember, we did have a hard time modeling the water. Meet Caesar. And we say cut, and we got our first 10 seconds. I will closing this thing. I'm very happy for this event. Uh, yeah, because right. Then we can continue to add more scenes. What I'm going to do is to save this as a copy and then delete the keyframes and uh, render the next scene until we have the final short film. Hopefully in the night or tomorrow in the morning. Tomorrow in the morning. Hopefully in the night. I will try to play the guitar early so I can develop it until midnight, I suppose. Yeah, I'm wrapping up this series. I'm going to continue to do what you just saw, moving the character, the limbs, making the walking animation. It will take some time. I did it 1 year ago. And the narration with Audacity, it's a lot of work. I mean, it still we have some route to go, but yeah, look at this. Okay, fellows, 1 hour 25 minutes. Okay, thank you very much for seeing all these videos. If you saw the 19 videos, it was quite a journey. I'm not ending. My life has changed as I have started, as I started, like everyone else. Uh, okay, I'm saying goodbye to you, and but I will be more live sessions, so I'm not saying goodbye. uh, Goodbye to this journey, and and we will be seeing we'll be seeing more content to show the struggle behind the thing until we reach 1,000 videos, and then probably I will say goodbye to you too. Okay, like we have 500 videos to go. Thank you very much, and see you any other day. Thank you very much.